For the inexpensive tripod, I've got something for you. Ulanzi from AliExpress. Link in the description. Let's unbox it. Ooh, that is a fancy packaging. Really fancy. Smells nice too. All right, that's a smartphone holder included. That's cool. Anyway, 2 Allen keys, poison for the trolls, and there it is. And has that huge handle for the video. Okay, so that's the bracket to the camera. Bracket to the camera, has a rubber feet, toolless design. The huge advantage is rubber feet, which can be removed to a pin. Cool. Oh, is it going to be taller than Manfrotto? Ooh, that's a tight click. Yes, it is taller, but not 2 centimeters, maybe 3. That's cool, that's cool. The mechanism itself, this one is to lock the camera. Well, you have to go this way. And then it is locked. Of course, it also has a spring. So we'll come back. That is cool. Or you can lock it if you wanted to. How deep can I go? Okay, deep. That is cool. That's the lock. You see how it locks itself? All right. And that's also a lock for the handle. Handle has a little bit of, well, that's some kind of rubber. It's cool to control it. Super cool. All right. And that's, of course, a lock for the turning. Also lock for the middle, not sure how you call it, leg, middle leg. Yeah, middle leg. All right. Is it going to slide itself? It's tight. Not really. You have to tap it. Anyway. And we also have a one position for the leg. You see, you just lift. And that's a one position. That's only one position. There's no more than one. Of course, there's a place to put the handle on the other side, if you're like left-handed. And the bracket for the smartphone. And like you can see, it has a mounting on the top for lamp or microphone or whatever. I have a lamp. And you can tilt it. And it doesn't have a spring, it has a screw. So it's a bit slower, but like safer, I guess. Well, if we put a smartphone to it, for example, like that. It's definitely super tight. And there you go. Okay. Okay. There's a lock and unlock, which I think it's stuck. It won't budge. So, whatever. Okay. There's a lot of movement. Maybe it's damaged. I don't know. That's like 55 centimeters. And 12. 1.3 kilogram. I think it's super cool. And in this price range, I don't think you can buy anything better. Maybe. The link in the description. I like it. See you next video. Bye.